Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are discussing a topic that's as fascinating as it is harmonious, the connection between Himalayan singing bowls and planets. I know, it might sound a bit out there, but trust me, there's some pretty mind-blowing stuff we're about to uncover. So grab a cozy seat, maybe even a cup of tea, and let's dive right in. Talking about the rich history of Himalayan singing bowls, one discovers a tradition steeped in antiquity with roots extending over a millennium. These enigmatic instruments, renowned for their use in meditation and spiritual rituals, have captivated practitioners and enthusiasts alike. The origin of Himalayan singing bowls can be traced back ancient civilization inhabiting the Himalayan region. Crafted meticulously by skilled artisans, these bowls are traditionally composed of a unique blend of 7 metals, each chosen for its distinct properties. The combination of metals often include copper, tin, iron, gold, silver, mercury, and lead, contributes to the unique sound profile and resonance of the bowls. The belief in the profound healing properties of Himalayan singing bowls is deeply rooted in the cultural and spiritual fabric of the regions where they originated. Practitioners assert that the resonant vibration produced by those bowls not only harmonize with the human body's energy centers, but also synchronize with the broader energies of the universe. This synchronization is thought to induce a state of balance and tranquility, promoting physically, mental, and spiritual well-being. Historically, Himalayan singing bowls were employed in religious ceremonies, meditation practice, and shamanic rituals. They were considered conduits for connecting with higher realms and unlocking spiritual insight. Over the centuries, the use of these bowls have transcended cultural boundaries, gaining popularity in various parts of the world for their therapeutic and meditative applications. As time has progressed, the crafting of Himalayan singing bowl has evolved, incorporating both traditional techniques and contemporary innovations. Artisans continue to pass down the ancient knowledge of bowl making, ensuring that each piece retains its authentic essence while adapting to the preferences and needs of modern practitioners. In essence, the origins of Himalayan singing bowls are deeply rooted in the fusion of craftsmanship, spirituality, and cultural significance. These timeless instruments have journeyed through time, leaving a permanent mark on the tapestry of human experience and continuing to resonate with those seeking harmony and healing in the intricate interplay of sound and spirit. Now, you might be wondering, how do these bowls connect with planets? Well, it all comes down to vibration. The unique frequencies produced by Himalayan singing bowls are said to align with the vibrational frequency of celestial bodies, including planets. This might sound a bit like magic, but stay with me because it's fascinating. Way back in ancient times, especially in places like Tibet, people believed something truly amazing about these metal singing bowls. They thought each metal in the bowl had a connection with a specific planet. Imagine this, just like tuning your favorite guitar or piano to get that perfect sound, ancient folks believed that playing these balls could actually tune your body and mind to the energies of different planets. So let's break it down a bit. If a singing ball has copper in it, they say it's linked to Venus. And if there's silver, that's connected to the moon. Each metal had its own planetary body. And when you played the ball, it was like inviting the frequency of that planet right into your space. Picture it as your own personalized symphony with the planet. A bit like having a stellar concert where the music isn't just notes, but the actually energy of different planets. Quite mind-blowing idea that these ancient cultures believed in. And it adds a whole new layer of cosmic wonder to those soothing sounds you get from the singing bowl. So when you're enjoying the gentle hum of a singing bowl, you're not just hearing a beautiful sound. You're practically tuning into the celestial harmony of the universe. Now, how amazing is that? Now, fast forward to today, and the connection between Himalayan singing bowl and planets has piqued the interest of scientists and researchers. Some studies suggest that the vibration from these balls might have a positive effect on our well-being, influencing not only our mental state, but potentially even our physical health. They have caught wind of the connection between Himalayan singing bowls and planets, and they're digging into it with the excitement. Recent studies are buzzing with the idea that the vibration from these bowls might do more than just create a serene atmosphere. They're suggesting that these cosmic vibrations could actually help us with our well-being. And no, we are not just talking about feeling calm and collected. We are diving into the possibility that it might have a positive impact on both our mental and physical health. Now imagine this, the soothing tones of a singing bowl, not only calming your mind, but potentially giving a little boost to your overall health. It's almost like the sound waves are a gentle massage for your well-being. So it's not just about ancient beliefs and cosmic connections anymore, it's about scientists getting curious about how these balls are a hidden gem for our health. The next time you hear the melodious hum of a singing bowl, you might just be experience a blend of ancient wisdom and modern science working together to create harmony that resonates not just in your ears, but throughout your entire being. Now, before we wrap it up, I encourage you to experience the harmony for yourself. Whether you are a seasoned practitioner or a curious newcomer, the vibration of Himalayan singing bowls can be a transformative experience. It's a fascinating blend of ancient wisdom and modern science that invites us to explore the vast depths of sound and its impact on our lives. If you have enjoyed today's insight, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay curious, keep harmonizing with the universe. Take care. Namaste. Namaste.